Good morning.
Morning.
We're at a beautiful temple called Jikwansa. It's near Seoul, and we're just kind of walking around right now.
It's gorgeous.
It is so beautiful. And are we having lunch here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're
And
gonna.
I believe a tea experience as
yeah,
well.
we're doing a full-on experience in this gorgeous temple. It's so nice. I would like to do a temple stay here. So you can actually do a temple stay here. So you can stay here for I don't know how many days, but I believe all the food is vegan because we are in a Buddhist temple. And I mean, I would definitely stay here. It is so gorgeous. So apparently all the monks here are women. So we only have female monks.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I love that.
I've never been to like a temple that has only female
I don't think I have either.
monks. So look at this view. Oh, they're dressed very modern like.
How many countries?
Canada,
Canada.
Germany.
And she interested about meditation too.
Oh.
It's a very good way to be humble. So everybody, Jin-Gwan-sa.
Jin-Gwan-sa.
There are many people, but some families with some of the very sad. Everybody, please. Can you hear me? Okay. Close me. We will get a music concert tomorrow. The stage covered. Oh, sorry. So we couldn't see the Minhyang Market, perfect Minhyang Market. Oh, sorry. And then anyway, let's use the King's Road. The Center Road is. Everybody.
Oh, this is meditation.
Go out here, and then you got the meditation. Okay, and then come. So the sleeping. Okay, the cushions and then. Okay,
Very yeah.
the sleeping.
Yeah.
질 바이든 여사랑 질 바이든 여사 여기 언니. 그래서 여기 두 자리가 이렇게. We walked up the Jill Biden coast.
Joe Biden. Why was Joe not here? Joe는 안 왔어요?
지원은 안 합니다.
So she pretending to sit down. So
Okay. So it's for nuns. Okay.
Take a
Take a seat and then oppositely. And then by. But the augmented year maybe. With our first and stream. There is a 배산임수. So left side have. So walking meditation is easy, but sometimes during walking we always spread my whole mind in the world. Sometimes my mind couldn't go to moon. So please bring your mind here, and then let's enjoy every moment. Okay? So today during walking, please hear the insect sound, and please feel the wind. There is a first meeting with cosmos. And second, please trust the earth. Don't land suffer to you to stand. So every nature is very, very great, precious for you. That means that you are very precious. So during walking, when I take your shoes and let it down. 14번.
Oh my god. I am so happy right now. This is so crazy.
Please come, please come. For more than 10 years, but for you, for this tour, I consulted many times with our EMC, the travel different, Mrs. Hong. She is a very specialist in this specialized tour because the sustainable tour is very important to me and Korean tourism. So we have this learning table. This is the Lady Sujeon table. Is not Chinese restaurant table. I think we always enjoy like so many kinds of side dishes. Nonsense. Anyway, eat together. Bite. And then please say, what did you feel?
What did you feel?
Crunchy and the taste is very good. So two harmony is very nice. Everybody enjoy it now. Please. And pancakes, so many pancakes because you are foreigners. So our staff made so many pancakes. Okay. So mandu, dumpling, or
think she means like
pancake
pan-fried
with mushroom.
So in Korean, we call it like jeon.
John, today japchae noodle means lucky and long ages. Please, long ages, live long ages with lucky. Okay, so enjoy.
Remember, whatever's on your plate, you have to finish. It's not easy to do two things at once. There you go. Can you not do spicy? Came to the wrong country, my friend. Is it too spicy?
The kimchi.
This jeon.
It was the coriander looking thing.
Kimchi. Oh, this is my favorite kimchi. Okay, I'm just gonna eat it. The perla leaf's so good. So you wrap the leaf with the rice and you eat it. This thing, perla leaf. You put it on top of your rice and then you wrap it up.
I was moving it closer for her.
Yeah, that's the one.
The natto isn't too bad. Because sometimes it's super sweet.
Or Buddhist monks in India. So around Seoul, the king donate and then touch your palm and say your yes. Please enjoy your tea.
Please enjoy your tea.
First, don't drink one shot.
One shot means bottoms up.
Okay. So but no, the bottom.
So
the
don't do bottom up.
sign. It's eight, but today almost very good warm weather. So we prepare you. So it's your turn. Recommend you three.
Three together?
And together. This freshman was a very big size. Very big size.